IntelliTrack Mobile Operator Rounds, a mobile workforce and decision support system that drives sustainable operations and maintenance improvements while removing paper-centric processes from the plant floor. IntelliTrack equips field workers with the information and task management process they need to make decisions on the spot, using ruggedized handhelds or commercially available off-the-shelf mobile devices. Users simply scan available RFID tags or barcodes to access procedures, equipment diagrams, and operating history from their handheld devices. And pre-built forms provide data capture for non-instrumented assets. The asset-centric approach allows data collected by any operator or plant worker to be combined, shared, and reported efficiently, without the complications of using paper-based procedures. This results in a more complete and comprehensive view of asset performance and health. As a combined software and hardware solution, IntelliTrack Mobile Operator Rounds delivers a mobile workforce management solution to accelerate operations and maintenance activities while improving regulatory compliance. Contact us today for more information.